I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm gonna make for you some curry goat. And these are my ingredients here. I already marinate my goat meat overnight. So in here I have some cumin, coriander, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic here. Now I'm gonna burn my curry. I have a little oil in my pot here. Adding my curry. I'm just eyeballing. And a little turmeric. Just a little bit. It's already having it, I just add in a little more because it's good for us. It's away. This is boiling water. Adding some boiling water to it. Woo. You don't want to add cold water to this to make it take longer to cook. You can see that color already, guys. This is the time, if you need more, you add it. After that, you don't add it, it's not gonna taste good. I'm gonna add some ginger in here. Turn up my stove, a little more hot water. I'm gonna cover it with water and let it slowly cook. See, I have my onion and garlic in it, and I have pimento seed also, which they call allspice. You can see it all around in it. I'm gonna add some ginger and cover, and then let it go ahead and cook. This curry is the best one. I'm trying to save this bag because they bring it from Jamaica for me and I can't find it here. Okay guys, I'm gonna cover and let it cook, and then I'll come right back. I'll catch you back here later. Okay guys, my meat is ready. I was having lunch, wasn't watching. All the water is gone. It is so tender. I'm gonna take it out and cook my potato because I don't want it to get any soft. Add some more water to the pot. I should put in my potato and carrot earlier. Still gonna add them. We have adding some rum. Adding a little rum, guys. And I just let these potato cook and come right back. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add back my meat to the pot. Need to have a lot of gravy. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this gravy thick up and come right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna plate. One curry catching my counter. Not so easy to come off. Okay guys, here we go. This is the finished product. And that look good. It tastes good, it smells good. It's yummy. Guys, while you're watching, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell. Ring that bell, guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you are. God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care.